Hey everybody, trying out a new camera setup again here. The last camera I had was a DSLR and it was it's too complicated for me, so I sent it back, and I've got a Sony camcorder now, which is similar to what I had before, just a lot newer. And I have a US lock, Mortise cylinder, KW1 keyway, no key as usual lately. And we'll see if we can pick this open. And got it here just to make sure that the camera's going to work for when I actually have something cool to do. And I got a microphone going now too, so hopefully the audio's better. If I could just find somebody else to narrate instead of me. Okay, well, picked open anyway. And so now we're going to see if we can actually gut it here and just see how that goes. You know, I don't want to pick something neat. I got some other locks sitting here that I'd like to pick on video and don't want to get accused of any tomfoolery or general fuckery or anything. Now it seems like we're a mile away, so I don't know. I can adjust it. New tripod too. Neat. So I want to be careful not to lock it back. Like that. And I did spray a bunch of Tri-Flow in this, so it's all slippery. And I can see I might need some better lighting too, possibly. Alright, and to gut it here, we drop the top first. Chamber 5 doesn't want to come out. Springs all jammed up in there. And there's a key pin we're dropping. Alright, let's just speed gut this. We're just doing this for practice anyway. Alright, then we drop pin 1. There's the rest of them. Don't really care what the bitting is on it. So there we are. And just so I can zoom in on it. So anyway, any feedback's appreciated. If you want to subscribe, be cool. And that'll do it for now, and we'll talk to everybody later.